It's 22nd of the month. And you have £17 left. Again. Where did your money go? Canteen, Uber, that one birthday dinner. You have no clue. Meet CampusClub Finance Manager. The first money app actually built for students. Add expenses in 2 seconds. It auto-sorts your Maggi, your Xerox, your midnight snacks. No more food ? In notes. Best part. It texts you before you're broke. Bro, 700 left for 8 days. Time to chill on the spending. Go a trip with friends. It splits the bill, tracks who owes what, and sends UPI reminders. No more awkward, did you pay or did I? Sign up today and get 50 coins bonus. CampusClub, because your money should last the whole month.
Tap subscribe to join the community. Like the video if it helped you out. Drop a comment to share your thoughts. And don't forget to share it with friends.